Take a sip, you gon' trip. I'm like a cup of shroom tea in the morning. Coat your throat like hot honey. You gon' need water, then want some more of me. In your head, you gon' slip, 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 slip. I love on you, and then I leave you lonely. You want to get to know me.
Okay, this is balancing on a plastic bag full of masks that my mother gave to me. So let's hope that this doesn't fall. But I am on my way to go pick up my friend Jada. Gyms are still closed in California, which I totally understand. I work at a gym, and so I lost both my job and my fitness place at the same time. So I'm a little sad about that, but I totally understand. I kind of want to convince her and ask her if she wants to get philz after, because I ran out of coffee and strawberry and banana materials that I need to make my smoothie. Hopefully she says yes. She also doesn't know that I'm vlogging, so this is in for a surprise. Just wanted to update you guys. Hope you all are doing well. Hope you're enjoying the video. If you are, great. If you aren't, I'm sorry about that. Let me know how I can improve on my next video so you can enjoy it. Anyways, all right. Oh my god, there's 2 of them. Oh. All right, guys. Here's Jada.
Again.
We are at the park now. We are about to go work out. So we're gonna go get philz after this, which is the only thing that is gonna help us get through this workout, because we both don't want to be here, but we know that we need to do this. So anyways, yeah, I just wanted to update you guys. Let's go work out. We're probably only gonna work out for an hour, and it's butt day today, so gotta get those gains. Okay, bye everybody. We just finished the 10-minute Pamela Reef workout hit. That's not going to kill you is what it says in the title, but it's fucking hard. It hurts. It hurts really bad. Our feet hurt so bad. How do you feel? Hello everybody. We are back from our hike. So we are about to order philz right now, and I'm so excited. If you guys want to know my order, I order this every single time I go to philz, but it's oatmeal cookie with oat milk, iced, medium creamer, medium sugar. So please try it out. If you do, let me know what you think. Also, we're applying hand sanitizer. That way we stay safe when we go pick up the coffee, and we have our masks, obviously. So if you are seeing this, wear your masks and put hand sanitizer on. Anyways, Omar Apollo is about to drop a music video and a song today, so I'm excited for that. If you listen to him and you watch this video, oh my god, there's armpit sweat. Anyways, if you listen to him and you watch my videos too, let me know what you think, because I am literally in love with that green-haired man. Anyways, I'll see you all later. Bye. I'll see you guys when we get our philz. Hey, are you excited? I'm so fucking excited. Hello, sir. Who are you? We're all getting ready to go. Oh.
My hot ass hair.
All right, let's go.
I don't even fucking.
I'm pretty sure those philz workers just saw us do that. You know what? It's fine.
Go up there.
Hello. Out for America. And Jada. Yeah. Thank you. Have a great day. Thank you, you too. Yes. 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 I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh, okay, I'm doing a taste test, we're both doing it. We got the same thing. So let's see if they made it correctly because I don't know if I ordered it correctly. So let's do it. Ready? Oh yeah.
Is it correct?
Yeah. Is yours?
I don't know.
It's definitely a lot more like caffeine.
I definitely feel like this is not oatmeal cookie.
I'll give this like a 9 out of 10.
I was gonna give it an 8.
But philz overall, 10 out of 10.
12 out of 10.
Okay, bye. Hi.
Hey.
Okay, don't close the door.
Don't close it.
Close it.
No.
So flash forward. It's been an hour and a half. No, what time did we get philz? Like 1. It's been like 3 hours. Actually, we are on our way to the beach now. I'm so excited. We're gonna go pick up my friend Delaney. We have our mask and hand sanitizers. I feel the need to emphasize that as much as I can, just so you guys know that we are following all of the precautions, safeties. We have our masks on at all times. So yeah, it's rush hour right now, so this should be fun. We're gonna listen to Taylor Swift the whole round. So I'm really excited.
No indie music.
Anyways, so we're gonna listen to her Red and 1989 album because those are the most superior albums. And if you disagree, then let me know what you think is the most superior album in the comments. Ah, she looks so pretty. We're back with getting the same thing we got last time. Are you gonna get a lemonade? No? Should I? I feel bad not getting a lemonade. I'll let you guys know.
Mama's gone and the papa's off indicator.
Made it finally to Laguna.
Yep.
That's the first time I've ever vlogged in front of somebody. Anyways, we made it. Yeah. We're gonna go down and take pictures.
But she's like, she wants what I have.
So far.